Your words create your world every single hour of every single day. Most people speak unconsciously, letting random thoughts tumble from their lips and wondering why their circumstances remain unchanged. But when you deliberately direct your speech with spiritual precision, reality bends to accommodate your declarations. What you're about to learn transforms ordinary conversation into extraordinary manifestation. This technique works because the universe operates through vibration, and your spoken words carry the exact frequency needed to reorganize matter, attract opportunities, and shift circumstances in your favor. In just a few minutes, you'll receive the exact declaration that has transformed thousands of lives when spoken every hour. This specific phrase contains every spiritual element necessary for complete life transformation: abundance, harmony, flow, and miraculous demonstration. The power lies in its precise wording, which aligns perfectly with universal law and activates immediate response from divine intelligence. Every hour presents a fresh opportunity to reprogram your experience. The person who masters hourly declaration becomes unstoppable because they're constantly planting seeds of transformation in the fertile soil of consciousness. While others react to their circumstances, you'll be actively creating them. The power lies in consistency rather than complexity. A simple declaration repeated throughout your day creates momentum that builds into miraculous results. Your conscious participation in this process accelerates manifestation beyond what most people experience in years. When Moses spoke to the burning bush, when Daniel declared his faith in the lion's den, when David proclaimed victory over Goliath, these weren't desperate pleas, but confident declarations that activated divine intelligence. Your hourly practice connects you to the same transformative power. The technique centers on one carefully chosen declaration that aligns your consciousness with your desired reality. This phrase becomes your spiritual tuning fork, bringing every area of your life into harmony with divine order. Repetition creates resonance, and resonance creates results. Your declaration must feel true when you speak it, even if your circumstances suggest otherwise. Truth exists first in the invisible realm of consciousness before manifesting in the visible world of form. Your words bridge these two dimensions, calling forth what already exists in potential. The universe responds to sustained intention rather than sporadic effort. A declaration spoken once carries minimal power. A declaration spoken consistently throughout the day builds unstoppable momentum. Your hourly practice becomes a conversation with divine intelligence, requesting specific demonstrations of your highest good. Most people wonder why their affirmations seem ineffective. The difference lies in frequency and conviction. Random positive statements lack the focused energy needed to penetrate the subconscious mind. Hourly declarations create the repetitive impression necessary for permanent change. Your subconscious mind operates like rich soil. It accepts whatever seeds you plant consistently. Negative self-talk throughout the day plants weeds of limitation. Positive declarations plant flowers of possibility. Your hourly practice ensures you're gardening consciously rather than letting random thoughts determine your harvest. The mechanics work through vibration. Every word carries specific energy that either aligns with or disrupts your desired outcome. Complaint, criticism, and doubt vibrate at frequencies that attract more experiences matching those emotions. Declaration, appreciation, and faith vibrate at frequencies that attract experiences matching those elevated states. Your hourly declaration serves as a reset button for your consciousness. Whenever life's challenges pull your attention toward problems, your scheduled statement redirects focus toward solutions. This consistent realignment keeps you operating from possibility rather than limitation. The practice begins with understanding the anatomy of powerful declaration. Effective statements contain specific elements that activate universal law. These components work together like ingredients in a perfect recipe, creating exactly the right conditions for manifestation. Identity declarations carry the most power because they address who you are rather than what you want. When you declare your essential nature, the universe must arrange circumstances that match your claimed identity. This principle explains why personal transformation always precedes environmental change. Present tense language eliminates delays in manifestation. The subconscious mind interprets future tense statements as permanent delays, always keeping desired results just out of reach. Present declarations create immediate alignment with your intended reality. Alignment language harmonizes your consciousness with universal flow. Words like harmony, flow, and alignment indicate cooperation with divine intelligence rather than resistance to current circumstances. This cooperation accelerates manifestation by removing internal conflict. Comprehensive statements cover all areas of life simultaneously. Rather than fragmenting attention across multiple desires, one well-crafted declaration addresses every aspect of experience that requires transformation. This unified approach creates coherent vibration that produces coherent results. The most powerful declarations conclude with acknowledgement of divine grace. This phrase signals trust in methods beyond human comprehension, opening pathways for miraculous demonstrations. Grace eliminates struggle from the manifestation process entirely. Right now, you have the opportunity to join thousands who are actively reshaping their reality through conscious speech. Your participation in this practice signals to divine intelligence that you're ready to become a conscious co-creator rather than an unconscious victim of circumstance. Comment below and declare, "My words command miraculous results." Writing this declaration activates the power of written intention. When you document your faith publicly, you're making a spiritual contract that the universe must honor through demonstrable results. The hourly method works because it interrupts unconscious patterns that keep you stuck in unwanted experiences. Most people live on automatic pilot, repeating yesterday's thoughts and creating more of yesterday's results. Your conscious intervention through scheduled declarations breaks this cycle completely. Your declaration becomes a beacon that guides the universe toward your desired demonstration. Like a lighthouse sending signals across vast waters, your words send specific instructions across the invisible realm of possibility. Divine intelligence responds by arranging circumstances, people, and opportunities that match your declared intention. The process requires faith during the invisible stages of manifestation. Your words begin working immediately in the spiritual realm before results appear in the physical realm. This gap between declaration and demonstration tests your commitment to the practice. Those who persist through this period receive rewards that astound them. Every time you speak your declaration, you're depositing spiritual currency into your account with the universe. These deposits accumulate interest through repetition, eventually reaching the balance necessary for your desired outcome to materialize. Your hourly practice ensures steady deposits rather than sporadic contributions. Now, after understanding these foundational principles, you're ready for the specific declaration that transforms lives. This statement contains every element necessary for complete life transformation. It addresses identity, embraces universal abundance, claims comprehensive good, activates immediate flow, and invokes divine grace. The declaration that creates miraculous shifts when spoken every hour is this: I am in perfect harmony with infinite abundance, and all good things flow to me now under grace in miraculous ways. Each component of this declaration serves a specific purpose in your transformation. I am establishes your true identity as one connected to infinite supply. Perfect harmony indicates complete alignment with divine order. Infinite abundance eliminates all limitations on what's available to you. All good things encompasses every possible blessing: financial prosperity, loving relationships, vibrant health, creative opportunities, spiritual growth, and peaceful circumstances. This comprehensive claim ensures nothing beneficial remains outside your experience. Flow to me now activates immediate movement of blessings toward your life. Flow implies effortless attraction rather than stressful striving. The word now eliminates delays and activates present moment demonstration. Under grace in miraculous ways opens channels for supernatural assistance. Grace removes struggle from acquisition. Miraculous ways transcend human logic, allowing the universe to deliver through methods you never could have planned or imagined. When you speak this declaration hourly, you're programming your subconscious mind with the frequency of abundance. Your consciousness begins vibrating at the level of your claimed reality. This vibrational shift attracts experiences that match your declared state. The timing creates sustained momentum throughout your day. Morning declarations set positive intention for incoming opportunities. Afternoon repetitions maintain elevated consciousness despite challenges. Evening affirmations prepare your subconscious for overnight processing and integration. Your external world reflects your internal conversation. Change the conversation, change the world. The person who speaks abundance consciousness attracts abundant experiences. The person who declares harmony creates harmonious circumstances. Your hourly practice ensures consistent elevation of consciousness. The transformation happens gradually, then suddenly. Daily repetition creates subtle shifts in consciousness that accumulate over time. At a certain point, these internal changes reach critical mass and manifest as dramatic external changes. Your persistence through the gradual phase qualifies you for the sudden breakthrough. Your hourly declaration aligns you with the natural rhythm of creation. The universe operates in cycles, and your regular practice synchronizes your consciousness with these cosmic patterns. This alignment accelerates manifestation because you're working with universal law rather than against it. The practice requires discipline until it becomes automatic. Initially, remembering to declare your chosen phrase every hour takes conscious effort. Eventually, your internal clock begins prompting you naturally, and the words flow without forced intention. This transition from discipline to automaticity marks the point where the practice becomes truly powerful. Your speech patterns reveal your consciousness level. Listen to your words throughout the day and notice what you're creating through casual conversation. Complaint creates more reasons to complain. Appreciation creates more reasons to appreciate. Your hourly declaration ensures you're consciously directing this creative power. The compound effect of hourly declarations surpasses any other manifestation technique because it addresses the root cause of all creation, consciousness itself. Techniques that attempt to change circumstances without changing consciousness provide temporary results. Your practice changes consciousness first, making permanent transformation inevitable. Every hour brings perfect opportunities aligned with my highest good. People around you begin noticing changes before you recognize them yourself. Your elevated consciousness affects your energy field, which influences every interaction and opportunity that comes your way. Your practice creates invisible preparation for visible success. The resistance you might feel toward hourly practice reveals areas where consciousness needs upgrading. The mind that resists positive repetition has been programmed to accept negative repetition. Your willingness to override this resistance demonstrates readiness for transformation. Your practice serves others beyond yourself. Elevated consciousness radiates outward, lifting everyone in your environment. Family members experience more harmony. Co-workers encounter less stress. Strangers receive unexpected kindness. Your hourly declarations contribute to collective healing. The simplicity of the method conceals its profound power. Complex techniques often fail because they overwhelm the subconscious mind with too many moving parts. Your singular focus on one declaration creates laser-like precision that penetrates resistance and produces results. Track your experiences throughout each day of practice. Notice coincidences, unexpected opportunities, improved relationships, and increased vitality. These early indicators confirm that your declarations are working in the invisible realm, preparing to manifest visible changes. Your commitment to hourly practice demonstrates trust in divine intelligence. This trust activates spiritual law on your behalf. The universe responds to faith with evidence, providing demonstrations that strengthen your belief and accelerate future manifestations. The breakthrough comes when you realize you're no longer trying to convince the universe of anything. Your declarations become statements of what already exists in divine mind, waiting for physical expression. This shift from requesting to claiming marks spiritual maturity. Your words become seeds planted in the garden of infinite possibility. Hourly watering through repetition ensures these seeds receive the attention needed for strong growth. Your harvest depends entirely on the quality and consistency of your spiritual gardening. The practice continues working even when you sleep. Your subconscious mind processes the day's declarations throughout the night, integrating new patterns and preparing tomorrow's opportunities. You wake refreshed and aligned with your declared reality. Your hourly commitment creates sacred rhythm in otherwise chaotic days. These moments of conscious declaration become islands of peace and purpose in busy schedules. The practice transforms ordinary hours into extraordinary opportunities for communion with divine intelligence. The method works for any area of life requiring transformation. Health, wealth, relationships, career, creativity, and spiritual growth all respond to consistent declaration. Your words become universal keys that unlock every door, blocking your progress toward complete fulfillment. Your success with hourly practice inspires others to adopt similar disciplines. You become living proof that consciousness creates circumstances, words create worlds, and consistent practice creates miracles. Your demonstration encourages others to discover their own creative power through conscious speech. The ultimate goal transcends personal gain to encompass service to the greater good. Your elevated consciousness contributes to planetary healing. Your abundance creates resources for helping others. Your love radiates healing energy into collective consciousness. Your hourly practice becomes prayer for all humanity. The transformation you experience through hourly declaration exceeds anything you imagined possible when you began. What started as simple repetition evolves into constant awareness of your creative power. Every word becomes deliberate. Every conversation becomes opportunity for blessing. Every hour becomes chance for miracle. Now you understand why consistent declaration surpasses sporadic effort. Your hourly practice creates the sustained focus that moves mountains, parts seas, and transforms lives completely. The universe has been waiting for your conscious participation in creation through the power of your spoken word. Your commitment to this practice must begin immediately while inspiration remains strong. Set your reminders now. Begin your transformation now. The universe is ready to respond to your consistent call for demonstration of your highest good. Remember that every master of manifestation discovered the same truth you're learning today. The power lives within your voice, waiting for your command. Your hourly declaration becomes that command, spoken with authority, received with grace, and demonstrated with perfection. Your entire reality shifts because you've chosen to speak with intention rather than accident, with faith rather than doubt, with consistency rather than randomness. Now, as you commit to this transformative practice, speak these words with complete conviction and watch them reshape every aspect of your experience. I am in perfect harmony with infinite abundance, and all good things flow to me now under grace in miraculous ways. Divine intelligence works perfectly through me every hour of every day. My words create my ideal reality now. I speak only blessing, truth, and perfection into my experience. Every declaration aligns me more completely with my highest good. I trust completely in the power of my spoken word to demonstrate miraculous results.